The quick way behind the text and image in Photoshop. Open the Photoshop and open New Image. Go to the Select menu and click on the subject. Then go to Layer menu and click on the New to Layer via Copy. Then go to the Select Text tool and wrote text behind. Then go to the Window menu and click on the character and follow the process. Press Ctrl T and adjust the text. Drag the text layer and adjust the text. Now we place behind the text in Photoshop. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphics Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.